Want to clear out your cache on iPhone, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear your cache on iPhone. Now let's get started. To clear your cache on iPhone, first open the Safari app. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner. Then select Bookmarks. Tap the clock icon. Tap the three dots at the top, then select Clear. Now choose if you want to clear data from the last hour, today and yesterday, or all of your history. If you like, you can also have Safari close all of your tabs for you by tapping the switch labeled Close All Tabs. Then tap Clear History at the bottom. This will remove all of your browsing data from the selected time frame, including any cookies and permissions granted to sites to access your location or send notifications. That's all it takes to clear your cache on iPhone. Want to clear up your iPhone storage? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.